Hello students and welcome to the second video lecture of the topic public debts. लास्ट क्लास में हमने पब्लिक डेट्स का इंट्रोडक्शन पढ़ा था। आज हमें इसकी फर्दर डिटेल जाननी है। आज हम मेनली पब्लिक डेट्स के इंटरनल सोर्सेस के बारे में हम लोग जानेंगे। तो सबसे पहला है बोरोइंग फ्रॉम इंडिविजुअल। Mainly, borrowing from individual is found in the form whereby government sold some bonds to individual and government get the fund. When government bonds are sold to individuals, there is very little effect in consumption and business investment of individual. So we generally individual purchase the bond from his idle cash balance. So we can say that uh, borrowing from individual is found in indirect form. In this case, government sold the bond to the individual. So this was the explanation to the first point. Now, second point is borrowing from non-banking financial institutions. Its short form is NBFI. So these institution includes insurance companies, investment trust, and mutual saving banks, etc. They generally buy government bonds by reducing their cash balances. This form this from government viewpoint is a source of borrowed fund, and moreover non-banking financial institution invest in government bond whereby risk is low and liquidity is higher. So this was the explanation to the second point. Now we go through the third point, that is borrowing from commercial bank. Generally, government also sells bonds to the commercial bank to get fund. Commercial bank do such purchase by forming additional loan up to an amount determined by excess cash reserve and required reserve ratio. I mean to say that it is mainly done by the process of credit creation. ये सब काम क्रेडिट क्रिएशन के प्रोसेस की हेल्प से होता है. सो दिस वाज द एक्सप्लेनेशन टू द थर्ड पॉइंट. नाउ वी कम टू द फोर्थ पॉइंट, दैट इज़ बोरोइंग फ्रॉम द सेंट्रल बैंक. मतलब कंट्री के सेंट्रल बैंक से लोन लेना. सो सेंट्रल बैंक से भी गवर्नमेंट को लोन मिल जाता है. सेंट्रल बैंक subscribe and at time substantially to government loan by supporting these loans in the form of or we can say that supporting these loan in the money market and the capital market. By purchasing government bonds, the central bank credits the account of government and pays to it creditors by drawing a check. मतलब इतने रुपए के गवर्नमेंट बॉन्ड गवर्नमेंट से आरबीआई या सेंट्रल बैंक बॉन्ड्स परचेज करता है, वो उतना ही अमाउंट गवर्नमेंट के अकाउंट में क्रेडिट कर देता है और उसमें से वो गवर्नमेंट के बिहाफ पे पेमेंट दे देता है. The central bank credits the account of government, and government pays to its creditors by drawing check on its account maintained with central bank. And those who have received check from government deposit these checks with their banks. So, and this was the explanation to the internal sources of the public debt. Now we come to the external source. If we talk about external source, it includes mainly two things. First one is international financial institutions, which comprises of IMF, that is International Monetary Fund. Second one is World Bank, IDA, and International Finance Corporation. So this was the first thing. And and what about the second thing? Second thing is that is borrowing from foreign government. For example, a country may borrow loan from the well developed nations, such as loan taken from USA, loan taken from Japan, and other European countries. And one more thing that I want to tell you, that generally loan taken from the external sources is mainly for the purpose of economic development. डेवलपमेंट पर्पस के लिए ही एक्सटर्नल सोर्स से लोन लिया जाता है. तो ये एक्सप्लेनेशन थी सोर्सेस ऑफ पब्लिक डेट्स की. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के लिए इतना ही था. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ ग्रेट डे.